This car is a Proton person Campro engine 1.3cc. The problem with this car is no crank, no start. The customer drove this car himself and parked it next to the shop and entered the shop to do some shopping. After shopping, he returned to the car after 10 minutes to go home and entered the car. He tried to start the car engine, but the car engine did not start. Even the car engine did not make any sound. Now I will get inside the car, start the engine and check it. Greetings and congratulations from the channel. I turned the ignition switch to the on position. All the dash indicator lights are on. When I click to start, there is no sound. No crank, no start. I checked the battery of this car. The battery is 100% good. The starter relay, starter fuse are good. Now I will check the car starter without open it. Now I turned the ignition key switch to the on position to check the car's starter, because if there were no other problems, the engine would start. The test light connects one side to the battery negative signal. The other side of the test light connects to the negative signal line of the starter relay, and the engine cranks but does not start, and the starter of this car is also good. There are no problems. The fuel pump is fine, but the ignition system is not working, so no crank, no start. Now I will check the car security alarm. When I click the remote key, the flashlight on the remote does not light up. The central lock does not open and close when the remote key is pressed. I will test with the car doors closed and see if the center locking works when the remote key is clicked. The center lock does not work when the remote key is clicked. Now I will reset the car's security alarm and test it. How to reset security alarm? To reset the security alarm for free, you must disconnect the negative terminal of the car battery. I removed the battery negative terminal. Open the negative terminal of the car battery and wait a while. As soon as the negative terminal of the car battery is installed, the car alarm speaker sounds. I attached the battery negative terminal tightly. Now I will enter the car after completing the installation by connecting the battery negative terminal. I entered the car and turned the ignition key switch to the on position. Keep the ignition switch in the on position and press and hold the alarm reset button. When you release it, the alarm will be reset. Now I will try to start the car engine and see if it starts or not. Inshallah, the car engine has started and there is no more problem. The reason the car engine is not starting is because the security alarm has stopped working, so there is a no crank no start problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any problems understanding anything after watching the video, please let me know.